what I've observed.
No, I'm a teacher by profession. I didn't choose to become a teacher. It was an opportunity. When there were spaces or vacancy, then they requested me to come and teach. Then I find out that no, it's a job that I can do. Yeah, that's how I become a teacher. If I fail in my current job, farming is another option. I love it. Why farming? I love nature. So farming is one of the ways of understanding how nature works.
My work is arts and craft. Arts and craft is all about animal, like into zenze ngezandla. Into zenziwe nge-beads. Into like represent it's culture yethu into engayisho, represent our culture, represent into ukwazi ukuzenza ngezandla. I-plan B yami ukuthi okay ngabhekana nokuthi maybe ngaba driver. Ziningi but nje into engasho ngaba i-driver ngaba many things engaziyenza like bomuntu as a young kumele ngulahle ithawula.
I always wanted to be an architect, artist, but yeah, flop ke dinyoko ntshonyana tse jwalo wabo. Ke tlile then ka bona sponsor machita. Ka snganywa ka ga taba kenyere ke kene ke bona hore di ntshange. Maybe utla bana le something o reng ke interested go yona sense ho pushiwa art wabo. Ngana qhubeka wabo ke vele ke etseng architect ya ka vele se ke batla ho shaka vele ke skela wabo ntshonyana tse jwalo. But same time music wabo artist vele yeah.
Currently I'm an educator teaching young children. I like working with young people, assisting them where needs be, nurturing them. Yeah, if teaching fails, I have a plan B. I'm inspired by being an entrepreneur, starting my own thing from scratch, starting my own business. I like working with agriculture. I will buy cows, sell them. I would advise learners or young people to, after matric, what I've observed or learned as an educator, that our education system is so narrowed in such a way that it only caters those who are brave and brilliant. Those who are struggling academically, they are not catered by our education system. For example, if a learner is unable to make it in school, that learner is out in life. So I would advise learners to do what? To focus on trade skills, to focus on starting their own small businesses that would not require them to go to college or tertiary.
Follow your heart. If you're passionate about something, do it. Don't look at people. Just talk to yourself. Whatever you feel inside, this is exactly where you need to go. Because what important in life is you do what you're passionate about.
Lapho khona whatever like situation obhekana nazo ekhaya. Ungapheli moya. uNkulunkulu nathi uyasithanda but into engayisho nithi uthi usithintithe la ukhona. Wena ulapha engubeni wena wenza yonke into osendlini zithintithe ungalahli ithawula. Kuningi nathi sibhekana nazo life kumele ubhekane nezimo ukuze uye somewhere. Angeke ula ukhona usije uthi yazi ngoba uhlula le situation obhekana nayo and then uyihluleki. Kumele uwine uNkulunkulu uzokubuyisela again and again leyo situation leyo ukuze ukwazi ukufeza into leyo afuna ukuthi ube yiyo. So into engayisho wena umuntu osekhaya vuka uzithintithe ungabi sihluleki ngisho into engasho but you can make it.